Hello Year 12 and welcome to the second video here for our fifth topic. We are dividing a quantity in a given ratio today. Dividing a quantity in a given ratio. So, I've got some amount and I want to chop it up. Not into two equal parts, but in fact into two unequal parts, probably. Right? The inequality of those parts being described by our ratio. How do we do this? Well, really, these three steps should do it. Add the terms together. Find out how many parts we've got altogether. Divide our quantity by that sum, by the number of parts there are altogether. That will tell us how big one part is. Really, this is what we call the unitary method. We're going to work out how big one part is. Then we multiply each of those original terms by the size of one part, which is the quotient. Anyway, we'll show you how this works. Divide 800 in the ratio of 1 to 5 to 14. So I need to divide 800 into three parts, but one of those parts is going to be very much smaller than the others. Right? We can see that the first person gets one part, the second person gets 5 parts, and the third person gets 14 parts. So what we do, we add these together. 1 plus 5 plus 14 equals 20. Okay, there are 20 parts. Now, divide my quantity by that sum. So 800 divided by 20 equals, is it 50? No, it's not 50. What am I thinking? It's 40. $40. Each part is $40. Now, I do 1 times 40 equals $40. Trivial, that one. 5 times 40 is $200. And 14 times 40 is 280? No. Is it 560? $560. Now I'll just check. If I add these together, I get $800, right? Right, there's a nice check. So my $800 divided in that ratio is $40 to $200 to $560. Okay, now that's not a simple ratio. Of course it's not. We've done the opposite of simplifying here. We've complicated it, I suppose. But anyway, that's how we divide a quantity in a given ratio. Hope it makes sense. If you've got any questions, write them down, save them up, ask me in class. See you then.